Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The BlackStone RMOH tractor mowers are robust and reliable tools, designed for the maintenance of green areas, fields, and agricultural land. This model is equipped with a standard PTO shaft that ensures an efficient and safe connection with the tractor. With a generous working width, the mower allows for covering large areas in a short time, thus optimizing work efficiency. The 3-belt drive system ensures optimal power distribution, contributing to long-lasting operation over time. The integrated hammers with a spiral configuration guarantee fine and uniform mulching, essential for effective residue management and achieving impeccable results. This is also thanks to the row of counter hammers installed inside the mulching chamber. The significant weight of the casing gives the mower remarkable stability and resistance during use, minimizing vibrations and improving operational efficiency. The robustness of the hammers and their strategic distribution make the RMOH mower suitable even for difficult terrains, always ensuring perfect vegetation reduction. Now, for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.